What's up, y'all? Oh, it's my birthday. So this vlog is just exactly what the fuck I want to do and what interests me. That's all. Y'all enjoy that.
Yo, what up with y'all, man? Sonoma Drift. Tonight we're doing a reverse entry contest. I had the opportunity to judge or compete. I was like, I guess I'll compete. So we're doing solo runs here on Summer Jam right now. Getting ready. First run wasn't that good. I had cold tires. Try again for the second run. Ooh, so dangerous. Typically we do these like challenge competitions during the year, and since we've got fans back, we've got everybody back, it's a good time to do it now. This will be great. We got some hard hitters out here tonight. I'm happy about that. It's gonna be like old Sonoma time. She got warm tires now, baby. Yeah, she go crazy. And the comp's gonna take place here in a little bit, so I'm literally just getting these practice runs in because we're only getting up here in a second. I'm good with that, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Woo, you're such a good bad girl. A good bad girl. This shit, it's like this shit gets your fucking heart beating like crazy, but not in a bad way. You know what I mean? Like, god damn, cuz. Yeah, yeah, bitch. Jesus Christ.
Need to shut down when you come out of 4. Alright?
Okay. Alright, so we're starting our comp run. I don't know how many runs we get. I think we might get 1. I'm good with 1. It doesn't really matter to me. Honestly, I'm just having a blast. This is awesome to drive this car. Oh, there's a car broke and they told us to shut it down as soon as we clear 4 because the car is still out on the track, I think. Now it did drop oil, which is my concern. Where at, I don't know, but I'm not gonna really try to let that affect my run. I'm just gonna give it the sauce at the beginning and try to be vigilant as to what the track color looks like, so maybe we can see it and find it. like a drifter's pit.
I heard this from far away. It was like, like,
Yeah, we're doing a backwards entry comp.
oh, you're doing it over there?
Huh? No, we're good.
That sucks. I thought you were doing it
No,
over
we're doing it here too.
Oh, I was about to say,
We're doing it in 2 places.
I want to see that shit.
Yeah. Alright, we're on the skid pad. We're gonna be doing reverse entries down here as well. And I'm just gonna get a couple runs, chuck that shit in, get the tires warm, get the feel for the pavement down here. Cause it's cold, it's about 7:30 right now. Down there or here?
At this down here, it's gonna be that big, the sweeper.
Okay. There's no heat in the tires, nighttime, yada yada. Let's do better. I'm to the crib off that.
After these messages, we'll be right back.